Hello guys, welcome back. This is the Leak Math Tutor. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the new update. Today's lesson we are looking at the rules for indices and the application. Application means where to use them. There's three special rules which is used for indices. Rule number one. Rule number one. If you have x power m multiplied by x power n. This means that when the bases are same, then you just have to add the powers, in which it will be x power m plus n. The second rule, it is x power m divided by x power n. This means that when you are dividing, you have to subtract the powers, in which here it will be m minus n. The last special rule which I have, it's x power m, the bracket in power n. The result, which the way you should do it, you should multiply the powers itself. Then here it will be x power m multiplied by n, in which it will be equals to x power m n. Not for this other rule, when you have x power 0, oh no, that x power 0, it is equivalent to 1. X is raised to the power negative m. For you to take it into positive, the way you have to do, it will be 1 over x power m. Let's try to take one practical example. Number 1. If you have 9 power half the bracket, then power 2. This means that we are going to use the third law, in which we are going to multiply the powers. Then this one is same like you're going to have 9 power 2 over 2, in which 2 into 2, which is 1. So here we are going to have 9. If you have 9 power half, this means that it is the square root of 9. Have x power 1 over n. This one should be equals to n square root. N, it will come at the square root when there's 2. It means you just have to indicate square root, because square root itself it is 2. So here we're going to have x, then 1 it will come here. If you had the 3 here, the 3 will come here. Let's continue with the example 2. Example 2 is given that 27 power 2 over 3. This means that we are going to use this rule here. We are going to use this rule, x power 1 over n, in which it will be n, then root x power 1. So which means here it will be 3 will come here, because where there is n, there is 3 here. So never make a mistake here when dealing with these rules. Here it will be square root of, it will be cube root of 27 to the power 2. As you can see, where there is n, there is 3. So that's where 3 comes here. We all know that the cube root of 27, it is 3. Because when we multiply 3 by 3 by 3, we're going to have 27. Because 3 times 3, 9 multiplied by 3, which is 27. So here, raised to the power 2, in which it will be 9. here for number 3. So for solution here, it will be, because here for 3 power 2x minus 1, this one is same like here, you are multiplying. Here there's a multiplication, so it will be 3 power 2x multiplied by 3 power minus 1. This is the way it was for it to be like this one. So here we honor that any number raised to the power negative 1 over 3. Here we are going to have 3 in the brackets with 2, then power x multiplied by, this is same like it will be 1 over 3. Taking it into positive way, in which it will be, we all know that 3 power 2, it is 9. By considering with the power x, it will be power x multiplied by 1 over 3. So 9 power x multiplied by 1 over 3, it will be equals to 9 power x over 3. So we have proven that this is equal to this expression here. So thank you for watching.